Hey there, it's Jackson from Pillar. I just wanted to thank you once again for allowing us the opportunity to manage your rental property, and we're really looking forward to it. We figured it'd be worthwhile to make a little portal tutorial video to get you caught up to speed on our system and how our portal works. It's going to be critical as we move forward and manage your rental property. So let's jump right into it. By now, you should have received this email. If you click the Reset Password button on the email, it'll bring you to the page to create your password for your account. Make sure you pick a password that's easy to remember. Next, just click Set Password. From here, it's going to bring you into the sign-in page. Please make sure you enter the username and password that you just created and click Sign In. From there, it's going to bring you to the owner portal. So I just created as an example for this little video here, 123 ABC Street. If you look, it should bring you to the home page here. This is going to be your dashboard. So you can see any outstanding balances on the property. If there were any tasks or requests, they would be found here. Any overdue tasks, expiring renters insurance, and any recent activity on the property will all be found here on the dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a little drop-down menu. We're just going to take you through it, navigate through each one, starting off with just your rentals. If you click on Properties here, you can go and check out your rental. So this will be the main page for your rental property. You can see a summary of all of the information here. If you click on Financials, it'll bring you to the financials of the property. Units, and for this property, it would just be a single-family dwelling. If you have a duplex or a triplex, you'll find your multiple units all here. And the tasks page, this would be if you were to reach out to staff members in our office through the portal. We'll provide you with updates on the tasks page here. And you have event history. So if you just look here, I had created a couple of things for this property just as an example. So I had a lease created on the 26th of January. And on the 2nd of February, there was a rejected online rent payment. Just a couple of examples of what you might find here. There's also a little notes page and a little files page. So all of your documents that would pertain to your rental will be found here. If you sign up for Pillar's inspections, we would upload our inspection reports to the portal here. Any and all financial reports, invoices, pretty much anything you need to be made aware of will be found on the Files tab. So if you click on Accounting, it'll give the option of either selecting Financials or Bills. From here, you can go ahead and set your parameters if you wanted to run a report. So I'm going to click 123 ABC Street, units, just one, and I'll just pick month to date. And just press search, and all of your financial information for this past month would be populated here. For bills, if you click that, you'll find your bill section here. You have unpaid bills, paid bills, and owner contributions. Seeing as how this is just an example rental, nothing in here to present, but this is where you can find any and all unpaid bills, paid bills, and owner contributions. Next, you have maintenance. So if you click on the maintenance tab, you'll get the option of either selecting work orders or property inspections. Just show you what work orders is all about. Again, if you had any work orders, just say as an example, if your toilet was clogged, you could find that work order here. And for any property inspection reports, they can be found here as well as in the Files tab. Give you a couple of options. Then you have the tasks. So if you go to tasks, it'll give you the option of selecting any incoming requests, any tasks that you have selected, and just any and all tasks around the property. And so just to distinguish between my tasks and all tasks, my tasks would be specific to, if you, the landlord, reached out to Pillar and you had something specific in mind. However, if you want to go and click all tasks, you might actually be able to see any, requests, work orders, or whatnot that tenants have put in. So you can always see what's happening on your property at any time. And then for any incoming requests, this would be if, Pillar requested something from you. Sometimes we would put out an owner contribution if you don't have enough money in your account. You could find that owner contribution request here. Next, we're going to just click on Files here and just click All Files. And from here on this page, if you had any insurance policy you'd like to upload, the management agreement, for example, you can all upload them here to the file section if you just wanted to keep everything in one spot. And then for reports, our portal allows you to complete a variety of reports on your rental property. So you could go and take a look at your rental owner statement, rent paid, a rent roll. If you wanted to, take a look at your task performance, how we're doing, you could also generate a report like that. So there you go. That concludes the portal tutorial video. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to staff in my office and we'd be happy to assist you in getting set up. Once again, just wanted to say thanks for allowing us the opportunity to manage your rental property. We look forward to providing you with some really great property management services well into the future. So thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.